skin cell layers, it just starts to move. It makes this extra like faux pad on my feet that really starts to hurt, especially if I'm wearing anything with just a little bit of a wedge heel. It really kind of pulls around. So this is your little opportunity here to do it every day. You don't have to go to the salon every day to get someone to take care of your feet. You can do it at home with something you can hold for under $20. And I love that we gave you the cutest little holiday red. It's a nice little size, obviously for the hand, but then you're showing the box there too, Ryan. Look, it's just the perfect little, it can be that little gift on top. It can be that little stocking stuffer.
Bow and go. It's a
wow.
I mean, look at
the difference.
Look at Rinda's feet
so,
here. I mean,
especially
this
here,
is remarkable.
Look at the top of the heels here. So even the bottom of the feet. So this is the one that we used the glass slipper file on. All right, and you can absolutely see the difference.
Yeah,
this
you can see.
Go ahead, Ryan.
The dry, the built up, the hard skin. I mean, this is something that we all can relate to because this happens to everyone, especially this time of year. Your feet are dry, you know, your skin is dry, it's really drying out, you're walking on your feet, you're going places, and that could be hurtful. That could really feel like something on your feet. Imagine just being able to easily and quickly remove it. And then your lotions and your serums, whatever foot cream you have is going to
for a while. But why I do feel like I always need a pedicure is because of the dry skin issue. But if you get this home and you start using this, then you either you can go to less pedicures or you can do your pedicures at home because you are taking care of your feet. Prep your feet for the winter time so that it can absorb all the different moistures and all the different lotions that you want to put on it. Now, you've been going to town here for a while. How does your foot feel while you do this?
Look at that towel. Look at that towel down there.
Yeah, and she's been doing this the whole time, the last like what,
totally
almost
gross.
5 minutes now. I mean, it's working. It's working, and I feel like, but nothing's tearing down there, right? How does your foot feel?
No, this is great. It's like so much smoother, and I don't worry about. And we came from Florida where we wear a lot of sandals, but also you're right. If it builds up, your shoes don't fit well.
I know.
Please,
I didn't know.
Do not use anything that's going to make you possibly cut. You want to use something that's gentle on the feet because this is actually going to remove all that skin, but leave the nice, beautiful skin behind. Those other things are taking everything away and not protecting your feet. You want to have something that's just attacking the dead skin, the buildup, the dry skin, the calluses, and makes it so easy with this design to go the front of the foot, the back of the foot, the toes. It gets everywhere you need to get it. You can even bring this with you to the salon. If you have a bestie that you go get pedicures with, you could bring this because you don't want to use those harsh things like those graters or those things with blades on them. You want to use something that's gentle. And then once you use this, like if you're lathering on that lotion and you're like, why are my feet not getting better? Why are my feet still dry? Why am I having that crunchy feeling when I slide into the sheets at night? Well, it's because you're not exfoliating your feet. You need to be removing that so that those creams go into your feet, absorb into your feet, and those has like these little design in it that's really smart, really designed. You could see on Brenda's foot, you could see all that like white powdery. It's really, really tiny removal of that dead skin. So it's really simple, really easy. You could see Rinda's not like working hard at it. She can turn it any way. It still fits in her hand. It's really easy to use. So whether you have dexterity issues, whether you know someone that needs a little extra help, this is going to work for them because it's super simple, super easy. You don't have to really get in there and work at it. The design works for you. It has these little, I don't know how to call it, like maybe like little
amount of gifts to open, but I like that this is good for guys, for gals. Everyone can use one of these, and it's easy to use. Ryan, I like how you talked about even using it in the shower. So if you don't want to think twice, you absorb
because you can use it with water,
extra.
you can use it dry or wet. It definitely works both ways. It's super simple, super easy. When you hop in that shower and you're going to town, you could just rinse it right off after. And you
I have to kind of deep breathe through it because I just feel like there's somewhere else I have to be. With this, you can see the action right here, right now. You just hold it and you just scrub your foot with it, but look at all the skin it is getting off. Now, I want to welcome in Ryan Sullivan.
It's really, really easy. Anyone could do this. Plus, it's a great gift for everyone because everyone has bad feet this time of year, Sarah. So why not just stock up on a few of them of the limited edition red shade that you see here that Rinda's using, because it's just like so cool, so easy. And it's just something that everyone needs this holiday season.
You know what I also love about it? It's gentle enough for everyday use, but it actually gets the job done. So because it's the etched glass, you know, Ryan, in comparison, the other things that I have bought before are either a little spinning wheel that looks like sandpaper, or something that literally looks like a cheese grater that's made of metal. So why is this something that is just a little sweeter on the feet?